Hey guys, Durcram here. Getting some stuff ready to put on eBay. Cleaning some tools that I got at the yard sales. Some I got lately, some I had in the garage. I'm just deciding to put them up. So let me show you what I got. Got these pliers. These are Utica. Pretty good sized pliers. I got this wrench. I got this wrench for $1. Let's see, Durcram number 252. And with this Plumb, it's a 1126 box end wrench, 9/16, 1/2. Got this socket wrench. It's a snap-on. I bought this for $5. It's in pretty good condition. I got this SK three-fourths combo wrench, C24. And I got this nicopress. I think it's a crimping tool of some sort. This was really rusty. I had to put this in a rust bath. National Telephone Supply Co. And I got this. This was really rusty too. This is a Vixen metalworking file. Got this Plumb Los Angeles open end wrench. It's been modified. 7/8 number 3036. It's a blue point. Mark JS there. 1618 number 9/16, 1/2. Got this chisel here. Mephisto, I think. And got this big old punch here. DL check standard 1/4. It's about 10.5 inches long. Okay, and I got this Jacob's chuck right there. And then I got these two really bad wooden handled soldering irons. This one has the name on it somewhere. Something that started with a V. Vasco. And I couldn't find a name on this except for on the plug. Hexacon. But somebody's gonna have to know how to rewire those. But anyway, just thought I'd show you what I've been collecting over the past couple of weeks. And thanks for watching. Bye.